Story of yesterday. We spent 4 hours looking for overnight parking.
4 hours?
We didn't get back home till 12:30 a.m.
Oh my goodness.
McDonald's was even closed.
McDonald's was closed. That's when you know it's late.
Oh, there I go.
Indian Shores. If you need overnight parking, just make sure there's more than one parking space. Unless just have to drive back home.
Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ashlyn.
My name's Noon.
And today is day one of our vacation. We're here at the grocery store. We're going grocery shopping and then we're gonna head on over to the beach.
Yeah.
You're on camera.
Whoa. Hi.
Get it, Finn?
Let's see this one.
No! The balloon's up there.
Finn, are you sure you don't need Lightning McQueen?
No! I just got 2 cars.
Here you go.
Our Publix run is done and now we are headed back to the house to go to the beach. Finn, are you excited to go to the beach?
Yeah. But no biggie board. Because
Nope.
I'm going to fall. Biggie board?
You're gonna fall? Are you gonna get your hair wet?
No. Oh,
Yeah?
because waves are going to come out.
Oh.
Hello. That's your car?
Yeah.
We're not the... Ah! Are you excited you got your Hot Wheels? Yeah.
Finn, is it too hot here? How hot?
100%.
100%.
Oh! You want to show me? I didn't see.
Let's see what you got. Show me what you got.
What does it do? Can you turn the back? No, it does this. It does this. Or what else part of it? Then you go in here straight, and turn the level, and then it goes straight down. Then now I got a cool car from Obviously. And last one? Yoshi, blue Yoshi. And there's a new character. That one. That one. This one. This one. This one. Got Luigi, and that's the brand new one. This one. Okay, here you go, Finny. No, that's not mine. That's all I got. No.
Let's go in the club with my homies, trying to get a little VI, down on the low.
It's time for the beach. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you gonna go on the boogie board?
Yes. Try.
Benny, are you ready?
Yeah.
Ready? Say hi.
Hi. Do you have all the cameras?
Yep.
This way, guys. Yeah! My father back!
Look at those waves.
Have you guys got beach shoes or beach chairs yet?
Nope.
Got a cow, lay down.
Yeah.
Here we go. Yeah. Yeah. So wait for another one. Oh, slippery. Very slippery. Oh man, I just got wiped out. Into the web. God, it's salt in my nose. Oh, it burns. Oh, it burns like relish. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Got salt in my nose. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Gotta read the waves. Wait for a good one. Ah, that's not good. Oh, this might be the one. Ah, I should have went. That was on me. Not bad. Oh. Man, what the? Oh, this is a good one. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, I just got my... Oh. Man, I got blown up. Oh. In the zone. Oh. How we do it. Hello. You're like right up there. Right where they break. Okay. Alright. Moving up.
Ben's doing great.
Did you see my design? I made a design.
did.
Oh.
Jenny, did you see my design?
See the design in?
Yeah.
The look my grandpa Steve I
I
made.
see it.
No, there's actually something on the ground.
Oh!
There's a stingray out here, so I'm gonna see if I can't put it under the water. See if you guys can see it. Penny, what are you about to do?
Stop.
Buggy board.
The hook line. Oh, it's over here. Here, I'm gonna come on the other side. Ready, Finny? I got you. Oh yeah.
You gotta stand up.
Square your feet. Put one foot out in front.
Yeah, so like.
Baseball. You got it. Woo! Woo!
Surfing with it on your wrist. All right. Now you gotta let it.
Here we go.
Hey, Finny, look at the plane. Well, Finn. Look at the plane.
Hey, look. Look up, coach. Finn, look at the coast guard.
Finn, what do you have to say to the camera?
There you go. Look at the
Give
big
him a
plane.
thumbs up.
Can you give us a thumbs up?
Yay, I did it. Thumbs up.
Ah! We're all dead.
You're down. I got
The seagulls are surrounding you.
Grab the popcorn.
We're at the beach for this afternoon. Now we're going putt-putt.
Wave at Ben.
I'm 0. I'm
Go ahead, Nene.
Hey, you didn't put it in the water.
Go over the hill.
Did it get him?
Oh, close.
You gotta go out.
Alright. Oh, one of them got it.
There's another stick over Hey, Cam, what'd you get on the last one?
Alright, today is day 2. And we are here at the beach. Colton is making his way back from Orlando. Here's Finn. Say hi, Finn.
Hi.
And then Cameron is out here trying to boogie board.
Picked up a crab. It just pinched me. It's recording. Should have picked it up. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Ah. Ah. My nose. Yeah. There you go. can't find any fish yet. They were here. Oh, it's in my ear. There's water in my ear. I can't find any fish. You see any fish, Nin? Wow.
Can I take it?
Yeah.
And then
Let's go for a swim. Oh, here is a big one. Let's go for a swim. Okay. Ready? And go.
Right here.
You guys okay? Oh, here comes the wind.
You gonna sit on like a horse? It might be easier for this. There you go. Now you know what to say. There you go.
Say hello.
Oh, hello.
Okay, I'm gonna let you guys go. Bye.
Okay, now stand really quick. Ready, smile. Okay. Here we go.
Woo! Who won?
I did.
No, Linda.
Ooh! Look at the lightning.
Guys, it's gonna fall tonight. It's a boat. Hello. The update is we're just going shopping for like some stuff. I don't know. Right now we're at Beach Zone, and then next we are going to Walmart.
I'm losing it.
Today is the evening of day 2. We're all a little burned, but that's okay. I brought my camera. All of them are down here playing soccer because USA soccer World Cup's going on. But I'm gonna try and take some pictures of them playing. There they are. Now, yesterday we were playing kickball and Colton ran straight into a sticker patch, so hopefully that does not happen tonight.
Oh yeah, he touched it. No talking to a ref.
Yeah. Maybe he's not going to mine. Is he talking about? On goal? Come on. No, it's still mine. Yeah.
Don't.
Score on yourself.
Go score.
Bang!
Score payment.
No, then it goes to run over. Oh, you're scoring.
You scored on yourself.
Bang!
All right. Calling it.
Hey, Dad.
Hello everyone, welcome to day 3, 7 a.m. Today we're gonna go deep sea fishing, so come along.
Here, hold on right here.
Move back here. You can go right.
3 points of contact. Stop it, walk out with it. Don't make them stop.
Yeah, no way further up.
Oh, he's got my mic.
Okay, then. Walk back, Summer.
On the way. You took one on the line?
Did you lose him?
That's a giant lady. Poor man's carpet. Grab hold, look pretty, stand there.
Got it. There you go.
Oh, it came off. It came off. It came off. Okay, so you step it out.
Nope. Where's yours? Is your line to the
like, okay.
So this is Lizzie.
Hey, look at that.
They do cool tricks. Drag them through the water, they keep the mouth open, they keep the water. You can hold them. This guy's deep. Can't hurt you.
Skated.
He's got wicked chocolate. Yeah. Oh, wicked pizza.
Dang.
Squeeze, firmly grasp it. Come on, Squidward. Kids like that. Come on, Pop, get his ass.
Gotta wait. Let the bird get him.
What do I get for a tip-off?
No, like you was like exploding. And you know when it's a big one. It's like,
Out here on the bed. That's all. I gotcha. There's so much meat right here that I'm going through right now. They're there. I know I got two. I think you got two. Yeah, go ahead. Let's just scoop on the anchor out. Have somebody bring a chat with me. They're going to like 295 and the rest is like 310. Ta-da! Jokingly, I always say, who has no hair on their legs? I know she doesn't probably. It'll stick to your legs.
No,
It doesn't
Colton.
hurt. Colton, get it.
Colton.
Oh, dude, we got your leg. Let's do it.
Yeah, get it.
Oof. Come back here, boy. Come back.
Oh, you got a knife.
Oh, red hookah. Give me your thigh. It's
Your
funny.
thigh.
It's funny.
Whoa.
It doesn't actually hurt. Though.
No, it just feels weird.
Yeah. Now you just walk around with them.
You gotta have
We
your dad
jokingly
take
call
a
them. We
picture.
call them the hickey fish. So they leave like a little red mark for like 5 minutes and then it goes away. You let me know when you're ready.
Whenever.
Huh?
Oh, whenever.
That's all they leave. And then it go, so like this little rakes, they'll go away after 5 minutes.
That's crazy.
front flip?
No.
Oh, yeah, you got it.
I hit my head. Yeah, right now.
No, you got it. Go.
Give it a
I don't think I've done a front flip in a while.
You just kind of float. I'll show you the rope.
So front. How do you front flip?
You roll your toes over the edge a little more than that, and then you jump and flip over. When the boat, wait for the boat to rock, stop rocking. Don't do it a second. I'll tell you when.
Okay. Just forward?
Yeah, now. Well, that was back. Oh! I thought he was going to belly flop for like a half a second there. Is it running? Okay, it's running.
It's so salty. Because it's the ocean.
We see a marker out there that was broken with the green one right next to it? Yeah. Well, a barge hit it and it was floating in the intercoastal. So I had me, 2 other captains.
Have a napkin in, please.
Are you safe?
Benny goes, here's your hamburger.
Wait, I'll do something.
How's your ice cream?
Good.
Good. What flavor is it? Is it Superman?
Yeah, but vanilla.
Vanilla? How is it?
Good. What you get, cotton candy?
I got cotton candy.
I like cotton candy. What did Finny get?
Yeah. And it'll,
Finny got Superman.
How is it, Finny? Oh, his lips are hard. Hi. My lips are blue. Oh, look, my lips are blue.
Okay, you guys want to eat out here?
Too bad. It was your new mustache.
Silly ants.
Good dance. Colton didn't want to dance?
Noon was like, let me touch your shoulders. I was like,
Okay.
oh,